Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous Chinese condiment. Have you ever had salt and pepper tofu, or salt and pepper prawns, salt and pepper squid, salt and pepper anything in a Chinese restaurant? That salt and pepper seasoning is a specialty of the region of Sichuan. And it's salt as we know it, but it's not pepper as we know it. It's a product called Sichuan peppercorns. They're not a true pepper. They come from the prickly ash tree, and they have this wonderful heating, numbing, almost giving you a zing in the mouth when you eat them. And the salt and pepper seasoning is simply equal parts of those peppercorns and salt. So I've got a tablespoon of peppercorns there. I'm adding a tablespoon of flake salt, and we're going to heat this until that salt gets a light colour. Then we're going to grind it up and it's good to go. This, to me, is the definitive flavour of Chong Lu's cooking. I think it was one of the first dishes he ever prepared for me, and over the years I think we've put salt and pepper. He calls it prickly ash after the name of the tree. So we make up a batch of this seasoning, and I think we put prickly ash on just about everything except ice cream. Let's go to the stove. So here we have our Sichuan peppercorns and our salt. Not much is going to happen for a couple of minutes, but you don't really want to walk away from it because you do not want those peppercorns to burn, but you just want to get that salt to change colour ever so slightly. It'll also start to smell really beautiful, and that's when you know it's nearly ready. Now I hope you can see that salt has just gone a pale brown, and the other telltale sign is a couple of the peppercorns are starting to pop. So let's get that, there we go, there's the popping. Let's get that off the heat and into the spice grinder. So here we are with our toasted peppercorns and salt. They can go straight into our spice grinder because if they stay in that pan, that copper's such a good conductor of heat, it's going to keep cooking. There we go. Into there. I'll give it a blitz up and show you what it's going to look like. So here we have it. Oh, it smells so good. Our beautiful, freshly made prickly ash. Now, if you don't have a spice grinder, of course you can pound it up in a mortar and pestle, but it is a bit of extra work. And if you're going to do that, I'd suggest then passing it through a sieve to get rid of any coarse bits. But like this, it's ready to sprinkle over salt and pepper tofu, over deep fried prawns, calamari. We're actually going to serve it with some lamb, which is quite unusual, but absolutely delicious. Or one more thing I've put it on, duck, pan-fried duck. Some people have put it on ice cream too, I'm sure. Salt and pepper Sichuan seasoning, aka prickly ash. So easy. Make up a batch, pop it in your pantry, and find uses for it. Enjoy.